All right, so what will we be learning today? So today we are going to be looking at comparing and sorting objects. We're going to look at this in further detail, just like we did in the last lesson, okay? So today's piece, we're going to go through same numbers. We're going to look for comparing and sorting the same numbers. We are going to be looking at more information and more numbers about these. We're going to look at fewer, less numbers. And then after that, we will go through a quick little lesson review. But let's quickly skip all of the rest and go ahead and begin and see what we need to do. So the first part that we have is the same numbers, okay? So let's quickly see. Use counters to show the number of blocks. Draw the counters. All right, so I need you all to have your pen and paper out ready for today's lesson. I want to see that you're all ready to write today. Good. All right. Thank you very much. So we are going to be writing with our lesson today. We are going to be using counters, which is blocks, to show numbers of blocks. We're going to draw the counters. Okay. So the counters look like this. Over here. When we need to draw them, you are going to draw squares. All right. So over here we see use the counters to show the number of blocks. Draw the counters. How many can we see? So let's go do an example. So there's 1, 2, 3. Let's quickly see. Wait, let's go back up here. So there is 3 blocks. Okay. So we're going to use the counters to show the number of blocks. We're going to draw 3 squares, you guys, like this. 3 squares. I will draw mine and show you. So you need to draw 3 squares. All right, everyone quickly draw your 3 squares. And then we are going to count them. 1, 2, and 3. Please make sure you write the numbers at the bottom. Can you draw the numbers at the bottom for me? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Well done, you guys. All right, so let's quickly see. How many squares do you see over here in the picture? Look at the picture. How many of the blocks do you see? 3 blocks. Can you say 3 blocks? Good job. All right, so that's why we drew 3 blocks to count them. All right. Okay, guys, let's quickly go to the next part. I'm going to clear all my drawings. The next one. How many shapes do we see over here? So we're going to go ahead and draw circles this time to count them. We need to count them. So let's quickly see. 1, 2, 3. There was 4. Look carefully. There's 4. So you guys are going to draw 4 circles to count them. Okay. So I'm going to draw them with you. We need to draw 4 circles today. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need to write the numbers at the bottom again. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. And we are using our circles as counters. So, how many different shapes are there that we can see over here in this picture? 4 different shapes. Can you name the shapes? Yeah, there's a square.
Triangle.
Good. And this one?
Rectangle.
Yeah. And then this one is half of the shape that we usually see. This is a half of a
Circle.
Yes, good job. All right, so we've got our counters to count the items. Good job. That is using counters and drawing them so that we can count how many objects we have. Sometimes when we have big numbers, it becomes difficult to draw so many pictures. but it does help us to see what we are counting when we are drawing it out. Now we're going to look at the more, okay? So, count the number of items in each set. Circle the set that has more. So you guys are going to help me answer. We're looking for the picture that has more items. So one is going to have maybe, let's say, 1 pen, and the other one is going to have maybe, let's say, 3 pens. All right. So which one is more? You guys need to think about that. All right. So we're going to count to see which one has more. All right. Example. We've got the top one over here that has 1, 2, 3 spiders and insects. And then the bottom one only has 1 item or 1 insect. All right. So which one has more? It is going to be, let's quickly show you with a pen, the top one. So we'll circle the top one. So when I ask you guys to answer for me now, I need you to tell me, is it the top one or the bottom one? Okay, and then I will circle it. All right, let's go see. So, can you tell me, is the top picture or the bottom picture the one with more? The bottom. Good job. All right, so there's how many bears? All right, so the bottom has more in it. Good job. So the next one, we're looking for the ones with fewer. So we're looking for less objects this time, you guys. So we're going to circle the one that has less objects this time. So example, we're looking for the fewer ones. There's 3 trains. There's 1 scooter. So the bottom one has fewer. Right. Let's go see. Can you tell me which one has fewer items? The bottom. Good job. How many items do you see? 3. Good job. All right. Well done. So a quick little check. So draw circles to show the same number. So get your books out quickly again for me, everyone. Take out your books. Everyone take out your books again. I need you to draw the same amount of circles as counters as the amount of pictures you can see. So draw the same amount of circles as pictures you can see. All right, so how many items did we have? 2 items. So that means we have to draw 2 circles. Good job. All right, so now we need to circle the set that has more objects. Let's quickly see which one has more items, top or bottom? Top. Good job. The top has more. So in today's lesson, you guys did excellent work. You were able to answer counting with the same shapes and counting with shapes. You were able to see the difference between more and fewer. Very, very well done today. I will see you all again next week. Have a good week.